Hello viewers, welcome to Watch Center official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of iconic Casio digital watch F91W. This is one of the iconic Casio digital watch. As you can see, this watch has a retro feel. It's a basic digital watch in a black resin strap. And this is the front of the dial. As you can see, Casio F91W, the model number written on the dial, water resist WR. And it comes with alarm and the stopwatch, which they refer as a chronograph, and the Casio. It's a slim dial. As you can see, this is the thickness of the dial, and the dial is square. There are two buttons on the left and the one on the right, and the black resin strap. This is the back side of the dial. It comes with a water resistance, stainless steel back, and the model number of this Casio digital watch is F91W-3D. This is another variant of this popular model F91W-3D. 1D comes in a blue detail. The 3D comes with a green detail. As you can see on the dial, the detail is green. So viewers, it's a very popular Casio watch, digital watch. Popular in youth, and we will check the functions available in this watch. We will check the weight of the watch, the diameter of the dial, and also we will try this watch on the wrist, and we will let you know from where you can order this watch online, internationally, and also in Pakistan. So let's look at the functions available in this watch. As you can see, there are two buttons on the left and one on the right. The button on the left, the bottom one, mode. So with this mode button, you can basically toggle between different functions available in this watch. For example, alarm, stopwatch, and the time. You can also set the time. For example, the second they are flashing on the screen. So what you can do is, you can make use of this button, the one on the top, to toggle between hours, minutes, and also the day and the date. So for example, right now it's showing 5:25 p.m. So I can use this button, the one on the right, to basically change the time. So right now I'm in the AM mode. 1, 2, for example, I want to set the time to 3:30 p.m. So it's 3. Now in order to change the minutes, I will press this button again. The minute will start to flash. Then I can change the minutes, and then I will press this button again. This is 3. 3 means the month. So I can adjust the month. 3, and then I will press this button again. 16 is the date, so I can change the date also. And then I'll press this button again. Wednesday, so I can change the day of the week also, like Friday, Saturday. So basically these are the settings to change the seconds, hour, minute, month, date and day of the week. So these are the settings, time settings, also the date settings. And in order to set the alarm, for example, right now I am on the alarm screen. So I will again press this button, the one on the top left, and then it will start to blink the hour. So for example, I want to set the alarm to 5 p.m. So again I will make use of this button to adjust the time. So PM, so 5 p.m. let's say 5:15 p.m. So I've set the hour 5. Now I'll press this button again to change minute to 15. So 5:15 p.m. So I've set the alarm 5:15 p.m. So as you can see, 5:15 p.m. alarm has been set. And the next is stopwatch function. Stopwatch function is straightforward. Casio refer this as a chronograph. So in the stopwatch, you just need to press this button, and stopwatch will start. And you need to press this button again to pause the stopwatch, and press this button again to continue. And with this button you can reset. So start, pause, and then reset. So these are the functions available in this watch. I have explained how to set the time, how to set the date, alarm, and also the stopwatch function. So pretty straightforward function. Also you will get a manual with this watch. This is the manual. So this manual comes in multiple language like Arabic, English, Chinese. So all the detailed instructions are also mentioned in this manual, and also warranty card. So here it's a very lightweight watch. Let's check the weight of the watch and also the diameter and the thickness of the dial. It's a very slim dial watch, and then we will try this watch on the wrist. So here it's a very lightweight watch. So let's check the weight of this watch in gram. The Casio F91W Casio digital watch weight is around 20.4 gram. So viewers, right now we will check the diameter of the dial in millimeter. Let's check the lug to lug width. It's 37.8 mm. 37.8 mm. And the thickness of the dial is 8.4 mm. 8.4 mm is the thickness of the dial. So here let's try this watch on the wrist and see how it looks. So here it looks pretty decent on the wrist. It's a retro style watch, a vintage style, and it's lightweight. The black resin is also very soft, and it looks pretty decent, attractive. It is still a very popular watch from Casio. So viewers, you can order this watch online. You can order in Pakistan from our online store voicecenter.pk, and also you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 0310 2233 484. And for international customers, we have given link in the description. You can order this watch online from our international store voicecenter.store. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notification of our video reviews of Casio digital watches and other branded watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.